Relations and functions. The question is relation R is equal to x comma y such that x comma y belongs to z, x plus y is even. So go through this condition, x plus y is always z and x plus y is even. X comma y belongs to z and x plus y is always even. So we have to choose any number from integers, any numbers, 1, -1, any number you can choose. But the sum of those two numbers is even. So I am going to take 2 comma 4. So instead of checking the conditions, we can use only the numbers for checking reflexive, transitive and symmetric. So I am going to choose only 3 numbers. Let's see. This is x and this is y. So reflexive condition, we know that x comma x belongs to R. So just to take this x value, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is even. So it is reflexive. Reflexive is satisfied. Then go for symmetric. Symmetric, we know that x comma y belongs to R. Then y comma x belongs to. This is the condition for symmetric. So take x comma y and check for x comma y. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. This is x plus y. Then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 is even. So x plus y is also even. Y plus x is also even. So it is symmetric. Symmetric. Then go for transitive. Transitive means we need 3 numbers. X comma y comma z belongs to R. X comma y belongs to R. Y z belongs to R. And x comma z belongs to R. So let's check. Let's choose 3 numbers. 2 comma 4 comma 6. Just someone check whether it is even or not. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay. 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is x and this is y and this is a. First I am going to check x plus y. Plus y is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 even. Then I am going to check y plus a. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Then I am going to check x plus a. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So all are even. So it is transitive. Comparing these three, answer is, what is the answer? There is equivalence because it's satisfying reflexive, symmetric and transitive. It is called the equivalence relation.